I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us up.
What is up, my FabFit fam? Welcome back to another video. It's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna bring you guys inside the mall with me. I had this crazy idea to do like a shoe try on. Hopefully they'll let me film in there. I haven't tried filming inside the mall, like in an actual store, outside of vlogging. So hopefully they'll cooperate and they'll work with me. And yeah, hopefully this video comes together because the idea popped up and I was like, oh, that'd be really cool. So yeah, let's just see what happens. The mall literally just opened like 7 minutes ago. So it should be fairly empty, so hopefully they'll be okay since there's not a ton of customers, a ton of random people just walking around. I got my coffee, cold brew kicker from Dutch Bros. If y'all haven't tried it, it's on point. It is like, it's just on point. Let's get going, shall we?
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Okay, so we've had success at one Foot Locker, right? So now we're gonna go to, I believe it's called Champs. We're gonna go see if they'll let me close this, let me film there. So let's go. Okay, so apparently the most popular shoe right now here in Champs is the Fila. I'm gonna show you. These are kind of fire. I'm not gonna lie.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
You guys know I couldn't leave them all without going to my Sephora to check it out. Alright friends, so that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun trying on those shoes, just saying like what is the newest thing out right now, as in like right now. When this video goes up, maybe, I don't think there'll be something new because it'll be within the same week. So those are like the newest shoes on the shelf for women. So if you like these kind of videos, let me know. It was really fun actually filming just inside the video, just trying on some shoes. And the employees were super nice, so that was easy. If you want me to do more like this, just hit that like button. Subscribe down below. If it's red, that means you aren't subscribed. Make sure you hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Sign up for my email list down below. Check out my website. I have some of my favorite go-to foods and fitness gear on there. I'll link that down below as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow my social medias: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I'm not really on Snapchat, but I do have a Snapchat. It's all the same. Well, actually, no, it's not all the same. I'll have them linked down below. Everything is linked down below. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!